do another French pin hairstyle today. I really like this one. This is probably the most often style, the style I do the most often with my French pin. I did start with waves in my hair today, and you can find the tutorial for that here. And then I added a bunch of dry texture spray, and that's just gonna make my hair grip this more easily, and it's gonna help it hold its shape when I do a little bit of pulling apart, as opposed to my really soft, shiny, fine hair, which typically has absolutely no volume and just slides out of any style that I put it in. If you add the dry texture spray, you're gonna get a lot of hold and a lot of texture.
You're going to start by raking all of the hair back from your crown, just so your part doesn't continue down the back of your head. And then just gather all of your hair into a ponytail, but we're not going to tie it with a hair tie. We're just going to twist the ponytail on itself and then twist it right around into a little bun, making sure you tuck the edge of the tail up under the bun. Then you're going to grab the edge of the bun with your two prongs curved side away from your head, and then you're going to push those prongs into your head and then through the bun and out the other side. And as you come out the other side, you want to make sure that they've gone through the hair against your head, and now they're coming through the edge of the bun again. And that's going to make sure that the bun is secured on both sides and is secured to your head. And then you're just going to stick your fingers in there and you're going to pull it apart as much or as little as you like. The more you fluff it out, the fuller and looser and softer it's all going to look. And I am going for a soft undone look. I left the hair at the front of my face down as well, and I've let a little bit at the sides fall loose, just so it's a very soft, romantic, easy updo.
I hope that helps. I hope that gives you another fun, easy way to do your hair this summer that is damage free, and you're not gonna have to worry about breakage from your hair ties, because I know in the summer we love to put our hair up a lot because it gets hot, but sometimes putting your hair up in a hair tie every single day can be freaky because you don't want to cause breakage to your hair. So a French pin like this is a great way to do it, and it's super gentle and super easy to use once you get the hang of it. Let me know in the comments what you guys think, and if you would like more French pin tutorials or whatever you want to see, because I love to hear from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and like and subscribe. Bye guys.